There's growing recognition that to reach climate goals, world leaders and businesses must tackle deforestation. The clearance of forest, peatland, and other natural ecosystems releases a huge amount of greenhouse gas emissions every year. And agriculture is key. Scientists estimate that over 90% of tropical deforestation is linked to agriculture. But the commodities that drive deforestation aren't just consumed where they are produced. They are also traded all over the world. So it's not just producing countries that must act. Trading companies and importing countries also have a critical role in eliminating deforestation-linked emissions. Trase set out to answer the question, what amount of emissions generated by deforestation is linked to commodity trade? And what is the exposure of different importing countries to these emissions? We looked at the 5 most important forest risk commodities: beef, soy, palm oil, wood pulp, and cocoa, and we calculated the emissions from deforestation linked to their production in key producing countries. Here's what we found. In a single year, deforestation and peat subsidence linked to the expansion of these commodities generates emissions equivalent to over 700 million tons of CO2. That is similar to the world's 10th largest emitter. Looking at just the exported share of commodities, in 1 year, the emissions are equivalent to 282 million tons of CO2, more than the total annual emissions of Spain. Importing countries have an important opportunity to act. The deforestation-related emissions linked to their imports are substantial. These emissions are generally counted towards the NDCs or nationally determined contributions of the producing countries, not the importing ones. But supply chain action by importing countries could be hugely beneficial. Deforestation emissions are linked to global trade and global consumption, and it needs global action to bring them down. To find out more, visit our website at trase.earth.